Ayan mga bayno, ito na nga po ang laban ng undefeated na Pinay sa larangan ng boxing. Ang Pinay nga na ito ay si Shera May Patricio. Bitbit nga rito ng ating kababayan ang malinis na kartadang 9 wins with 3 knockouts. At nakalaban nga rito ni Sheila May Patricio mga bay ang isang pambato mula sa Spain. Isa itong veteranong fighter mga bay na si Natalia Francisca. May kartada naman itong 8 wins, 7 losses. So medyo makunat itong kalaban ng Pinay rito sapagkat never pa nga itong bumagsak mga bay sa lahat ng kanyang laban. Yan si Patricio rito ang nakaputi na damit. Itong kalaban niya na isang taga-Spain. Itong naka-black na damit mga bay. Yan, umpisa na ng round 1.
So let's see how Shera May counteracts that.
Yeah, I know Shera May to be particularly a volume puncher. Natalia Francesca, based on her build, looks like
So isang volume puncher dito ang ating kababayan. So kaya naman mga bay, marami ang humahanga dito sa ating pambato dahil magaling ritong magbato ng suntok. Ang Pinay nga rito ay 23 anyos pa lang. Itong kalaban ay nasa 37 years old na. Buwibira dito sa bodega ang dalawa.
So this bout is contested at 118 pounds. And again,
So nasa bantamweight division ang kanilang timbang.
But she does have a tough, experienced opponent in front of her.
So yeah, so Shera May she definitely needs to start using the jab as she's doing right now, and it's not so much to build points, but it's to collect information. You throw the jab, you want to see where your opponent's hands are going.
Kaya medyo yumayakap dito agad itong kalaban ng Pinay mga bay. At na-warningan nga rito ang ating pambato dahil sa mga suntok niya mga bay na medyo may kataasan sa batok ng kalaban.
So with somebody that throws high volume like Shera, do you follow the jab up immediately, or do you throw a few of those out to kind of probe that distance and then set up combinations for later?
So it all depends on what Shera May wants to do. If she wants to find her range,
Yun, sunod-sunod na kombinasyon sa bodega.
she wants to volley it up with combination. It's a jab and a hook.
So last 5 seconds dito sa round 1.
The same hand. Then she can follow
So
up with
2 minutes per round ang bakbakan na ito mga bay. So end of the round 1. Yan mga bay, pasok na tayo dito sa second round at palitan nga agad ng kombinasyon pag uumpisa ng round. Sumugod nga agad rito itong kalaban ng ating pambato. Mabibigat yung may bitawang suntok nitong si Natalia Francisca ng Spain.
Although she threw a lot of punches, she's leaning forward with her head a lot. She sort of wades forward with her head down, and that can lead to some counter shots, especially from a more powerful fighter. I'd like to see her keep her chin tucked a little bit better and fight behind her.
Yan, pinapasok dito ni Shera May Patricio yung opensa nitong kanyang kalaban rito. So sumusugod pa ilalim ang Pinay.
When your eyes are not facing your opponent, you get caught with a punch that not necessarily may be hard, but you don't see. It can cause your equilibrium to go off. It can cause a knockdown or knockout.
Yan, pakawala ng dalawang lambayog itong kalaban ng ating kababayan. Pero grabe yung pag-aggressive din dito ni Shera May Patricio. Ito na nga. Napapayakap dito ang kalaban ni Shera May. Yan, binubudega talaga dito ng ating pambato mga bay itong kalaban. Napapatras dito yung si Natalia Francisca.
So if you start fast in a 2-minute round, in all likelihood you end up taking that round.
Yeah, 100%. But there you go again. You see Shera May diving in with that head. Francesca is doing a great job.
Yan. Palitan sila ng kombinasyon mga bay at ano nga dito, dihado dito yung pambato ng Spain. End of round 2. Yan, pasok na tayo dito sa pangatlong yugto. So maganda yung dalawang fighter natin ngayon at masipag sumuntok.
Yeah, which is listen, and once you step up,
So main event ito ng bakbakan mga bay, no, na ginanap doon sa Pennsylvania.
Francesca is actually doing. She looks like she has a slight speed advantage over Sharon May. So she's opening up. See how she just took that step out and opened the ring up. So ultimately,
Masipag sumuntok itong si Natalia Francisca ng Spain.
point taken away.
Pero sa tuwing susugod naman ang Pinay na si Jeremy Patricio, nawawalan siya ng opportunity mga bay na i-counter ang ating kababayan kaya niyayakap na lang niya ito. So sa mga ganong instances, technique yung ginagamit dito ng kalaban ng Pinay. Yan, kita mo yung kanan ni Patricio. Talagang binubungkal niya yung tagiliran nitong si Francisca. So pareho itong mga orthodox fighter, ang mga babaeng boxer natin.
Like you alluded to earlier, Nick. Right now, just falling in. This is not getting it done.
Parang nakatikim na rin ata itong si nararamdaman na rin itong si Francisca ng Spain yung hapdi ng suntok ng Pinay na si Shira May. Kasi panay na siya yakap sa round na ito.
Shira May is doing a better job of not leading with her head, but she still has that falling forward effect when she's looking to initiate her offense.
Yeah, agreed. So I mean, clean, effective punching. What are the judges?
Yan, end of third round.
Punches.
And then the man sitting to my right.
Ito na nga, umabot na tayo dito sa fourth round.
So here we go to start round 4.
Ayan,
Relatively even fight. Shira May's turning up the
gumawa agad ng kombinasyon dito itong kalaban ng Pinay. Pero napayakap ng rumesbak dito si Patricio.
Than her in that ring.
Patricio, laging agresibo. Sunod-sunod yung mga body punches mga bay.
Wiry fighters, man. I used to hate to have my fighters fight, or not that I fought a female, but I would hate to spar and fight wiry fighters. They're so snappy with their punches, and it doesn't.
Nalulugi dito itong kalaban ng Pinay sa tuwing dikitan yung sagupaan nila.
I see what Sharon May's doing. She's trying.
So masipag man ring sumuntok itong kalaban ng ating kababayan, subalit ayun nga, sa tuwing pag-brawling time na,
Anybody's fight here 4 rounds in.
naano siya napapayakap siya
I'd like to see how the judges have it so far. It's a
Yan,
very difficult fight.
Suntok siya ng dalawa-tatlo tapos yakap dito kay Shira May.
Generally, you look for champions.
Si Shira May ayaw yung ganun. Ayaw ng Pinay na may yumayakap sa kanya at hindi rin siya yumayakap.
In a decision, but
So as much as possible,
nobody's really been effective
naghahanap dito si
forward in the judges' eyes.
Shira May ng butas, mapakawalan niya yung kanyang mga kombinasyon.
Neutralizing anything Sharon May does. Sharon May, she looks a little flat. I've seen her look.
So last 30 seconds dito sa round 4. So 2 minutes lang per round sa bakbakan ng mga kababaihan mga bay.
The Sean Clark.
Medyo galit na rito itong referee dahil panayakap sila
I don't want to see a case where he starts taking points because that'll really swing this fight.
Yeah, anybody that loses a point here in a fight as close as this, they're really going to have an uphill battle to even up the scoring.
It looks like Francesca's, her idea.
And end of round 4.
Inside fight
In Baltimore a couple of months back with Shira, she
won.
Nangangalahati na tayo sa bakbakan na ito mga bay. Round 5, scheduled for 10 rounds.
Is able to get by this.
Solid yung mga binitawang kombinasyon agad dito ni Shira May.
May will be. I would like to see a little bit more of a toolbox right here.
Malaki yung braso dito ng kalaban ng Pinay mga bay. Parang braso ng lalaki.
Francesca right now.
Yeah, and she's clearly very talented. She comes from a background. She's one of 8 siblings, all of which are national champions. 5 brothers, 2 sisters. Her father was a kickboxer. I mean, combat sports are in her blood. And her technique is generally pretty good, but she does get
Talagang binubungkal dito ng Pinay itong tagiliran ng kalaban.
a little bit. She forgets her jab. And if she allows the bigger, stronger opponent to tie her up, it starts to become their fight instead of hers.
Yeah, absolutely. So again, I'd like to know
Ayan, so yun yung lagi nating nakikita dito mga bay.
right now.
So body shot yung ginagawa talaga dito na
I think it's
taktika ni Jeremy Patricio.
Shira May gets close. It's just the constant tying up.
Yan yung nakikita niyang butas sa tuwing susuntok itong
Part of me wishes
si Natalia Francisca ng Spain.
kind of initiate
At sa tuwing
probably
yayakap nga ito sa Pinay ay doon binibirahan din ni Jeremy sa bodega sa tagiliran.
It's not going to work with certain
Yan, napasandal dito sa lubid. Uy, napuruhan doon si Natalia Francisca. Last 30 seconds dito sa round 5.
juice, so to speak, she can get on those shots, right? So right there, she's at the range where she can punch, but she just got tagged with a right hand on the way in.
Yeah, and
She's falling in.
I've noticed too that when she goes to throw the right hand, she picks up her right foot, and it kind of takes some of the power out of those shots.
That's a good point, Nick. I'm going to watch out for that the next time I see her throw a right hand. So a lot of holding, a lot of grappling, a lot of wrestling. Again, it's a pick 'em round. All these rounds are pick 'em rounds.
Yan, end of the round.
No, 10 rounds on the pad.
Ayan, pang-anim na yugto na ng bakbakan.
So, you know, I don't
Yan, two combination
watching her right now. She
mula kay Patricio.
Yeah, well, you know what? There's a pretty
Napapairi itong si Natalia Francisca ng Spain mga bay sa tuwing natatamaan sa tagiliran. Pero ganun pa man, grabe din yung kunat na naipapamalas niya dito sa bakbakan mga bay.
well, all this wrestling
So simula round 1 hanggang dito sa round nga na ito, sa round 6, ay walang round na hindi natatamaan yung kanyang tagiliran dito mula sa suntok ng Pinay. Ito, nasa gitna na ng ring ang dalawa, palitan ng suntok.
very close fight. It's very intriguing with how this is going to be scored.
Yeah, I mean, still anybody's fight. Either lady can step forward and take control any one of these rounds and turn the tide. It just so far.
Sa tuwing nasasakta na itong si Natalia Francisca, yumayakap na nga ito.
So right there, mid range, that's where Shira should be punching, and just let her punches go from right there instead of falling in like that.
Yeah, because once she gets close enough, Francesca just
Bukas yung depensa dito ng kalaban ng ating pambato.
But I think again though,
Ayan, tagiliran.
the same thing if Shirmay established a bit of better jab.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, and she can run her combination.
Gustuhin man niyang yumakap sa Pinay mga bay, pero
Trying to find her range now, but it's all working.
nagwa-wild rin itong si Patricio rito.
Abandons the jab.
Winawasiwas niya ng kombinasyon itong kalaban na mulang Spain.
Good right hand to the body from Francesca there.
Francesca's in the same shape. You can see, you know, she has nice little cuts on her arms, and her back is well defined. So you know, she trained for this.
Last 10 seconds dito sa round 6.
She's in good shape as well.
You know, part of that when I was watching yesterday,
So far mga bay, sa ating naobserbahan, lamang sa puntos ang ating kababayan. And end of the round.
So everybody's body's different. Everybody.
Round 7 ang bakbakan. Ito, nag-init agad dito itong kalaban ng ating pambato mga bay. Pero matapos nga makapagpakawala ng 4 na kombinasyon ay yumakap ito kay Patricio.
yeah, that would be nice.
Ano bang taktikang gagamitin dito ng kalaban ng Pinay mga bay?
Right. So I wouldn't be opposed to it because that can't be.
Yan, ganda talaga sumuntok nitong ating pambato mga bay.
But at the end of the day, excessive holding.
Walang kapaguran sa pagsuntok dito si Jeremy Patricio. Si Jeremy Patricio mga bay, naninira na ito ngayon doon sa Hawaii. So purong mga Pinoy ang kanyang mga magulang. Nag-init na rin dito itong pambato ng Spain. Mabibigat na yung mga suntok na pinapakawalan dito ng dalawa. Uppercut mula kay Patricio, lambayog mula sa kalaban.
It's a strategy. You know what I mean? Might not be
Ito na nga, dumidikit na rin dito itong si Natalia Francisca. Sunod-sunod na jab mula kay Patricio. At hinahabol nga niya rito mga bay, itong si Francisca, napasandal na sa lubid, pero ito nga, yumakap muli. Itong si Francisca ng Spain. So maganda yung setup din dito ni Patricio.
comfortable in there. You know, got her hands down a little bit.
Nagbabato siya ng jabs. At sa tuwing susugod nga rito itong kalaban ay Yun nga, kinaka-counter nga niya ito ng mga wasiwas na suntok mga bay.
Interesting fight. I mean,
Last 20 seconds dito sa round 7. Yan, end of the round.
the clinch, take a
Round 8 na tayo mga bay. 3 rounds to go.
because you know she's going to fall in and try to grab you at this point. So try to throw the uppercut. Try to hit her with something that's going
Mas
to
matangkad pala rito itong Spain mga bay. Mas matangkad dito yung kalaban ni Shirami Patricio.
I think either woman has the power to stop.
Yan, pakawala ng lambayog dito si Natalia Francisca. Pero parang walang epekto kay Shira May, yung mga suntok ng kalaban.
I don't think either one of them has accumulated enough damage on one another to, to even create a stoppage at this point. Nobody has taken control of this fight. If I know it's the 8th round, and I don't want to be a Nostradamus, but thinking ahead, I mean, this looks like a draw to me.
Ganda ng pinakawalan doon ni kababayan.
15 rounds to go. So
Body shot, tapos lambayog sa ulo ng kalaban.
Yeah, you never know.
Ang bodega mula kay Patricio.
What they're thinking, but I would probably agree with you. I would say 8 rounds in here, this looks a lot like a draw to me.
Parang aabot pa to sa last and final round mga bay.
Fight
Dahil
between two different styles.
parang walang malaking pinsala na ano nakukuha yung bawat isa.
in the bantamweight division. So, a loss here would be disastrous right now. A draw, not so much. Draws you could always come back from. But
Kung hindi lang siguro panayakap itong kalaban ng Pinay, babagsak to.
8-7.
Kaya pala siya hindi bumabagsak dahil pag
So, an 8-7,
makamay yung kanyang nakakalaban ay panayakap yung ginagawa niya para pigilan.
very tough and has a great chin. So, if you were going to go out there, and try to stop a girl that has all those fights, I don't think that was the right game plan. And I don't know their game plan. I'm just speculating. I would have went out there and overwhelmed her.
Yan, end of the round 8.
And from my
WBA
Ayan, round 9 na.
reps.
La, nag-init muli dito itong kalaban ng Pinay. Grabe yung ano niya, no? Taktika. Walang pagbabago mula sa round 1. Susuntok siya, 2, 3 kombinasyon, tapos yakap na. Hindi naman pwedeng ganun lagi. Nababasa na yun ng kalaban eh. Ala, solid yung mga suntok doon ni Patricio. Tumama yun sa tagiliran at sa pisngi nitong
Yeah, nothing that looks
Spain.
like it's gonna really turn the tide either way yet.
No, not at all. Not at all.
And yeah, here's where I'd like to see Shearer start to stick that jab out there, but it just, as much as you expected, it never seems to come.
So, Nick, like I said before, your jab is an information collector. You don't always have to land it, right? Like we were talking about earlier, you shoot the jab to the body. See where the hands go. Shoot the jab to the chest, right? See if she's going to drop her right hand and bite on a fake jab. If she bites on a fake jab, if she drops her right hand, you pop a hook over, then you got an uppercut in right hand. So you build information with a jab, and there's just none of that going on.
last 40 seconds dito sa round 9.
Yeah,
Right? They're
Yeah.
just fighting. There's no technical.
Walang pagbabago sa galawan nitong kalaban.
There's nothing behind this. They're just literally just fighting.
yeah, we've talked about it in prior fights tonight where
Nilalamok na siya mula sa suntok ni Patricio at ito nga, yakap muli.
here be sort of reactive. I don't think either one is dictating the pace. So both
Hindi siya makawala eh. Pag sinusugod na siya ng Pinay, hindi niya kayang umiwas o
They just start swinging away.
tumakbo
They get tied up.
kapag napasandala siya sa lubid. Ang tanging ano lang niya,
Literally,
ginagawa eh talagang yakapin ang Pinay.
then they'll get tied up. The ref will come and break them.
So sinugod na siya ni Patricio at yan, yumakap. End of round 9.
So this last 2 minutes,
Ayan, last and final round na po tayo. Round 10 sa bakbakan sa pagitan ng Pinay na si Shirami Patricio laban kay Natalia Francisca ng Spain. So ubusan na ito ng lakas. Ito na yung tsansa para sa pambato ng Spain na makabawi sa Pinay. Ano kayang pwede niyang gawin? Yayaka pa kaya ito kay Shirami Patricio? Aggressive na rito ang pambato ng Spain.
So more power to both these.
So pinipressure niya rito si Patricio. Patricio nag-aabang mga bay ng tamang tempo. Ito nga, lambayog mula kay Patricio. Napaatras na rito itong pambato ng Spain, napasandal sa lubid. At ito na nga ang taktika ng kalaban, yumakap.
That was the whole night is just get close, combination, tie up. Get close, combination, tie up.
Overwhelming yung mga suntok dito ng Pinay mga bay.
Earlier, I'd love to see the referee give a hard warning to both
Hindi nakakahinga itong kalaban sa tuwing nagpapakawala na ng kombinasyon si Kabayan.
to take control and not make it part of the game plan.
Ayan, grabe.
Landed a couple of shots there along the ropes.
Wala, hindi umaatras dito ang Pinay.
Their way out, and they end up in a clinch again.
Yeah, so
Ayan, ang sumusugod itong kalaban. Pero sa tuwing nagkaka-brawling na sila, ang unang yumayakap yung kalaban. Yan, yakap muli siya.
Overhand right. Doesn't look like it lands.
Last 25 seconds dito sa final round.
20 or so seconds of this fight.
another interesting round to score. Like
There hasn't been a round that was definitive in this entire 10-round fight.
not at all, man. Not at all.
Last 10 seconds.
So as we approach the end of this bout, we will.
Aabot pa nga ito mga bay sa desisyon ng mga horado kung sino yung tatanghaling panalo.
It's going to be an interesting.
Yan mga bay, end of round 10. Hintayin natin mga bay ang scorecard kung sinong panalo sa bakbakan na ito.
I don't know.
Brian Costello and Bluebor Productions. Official score is as follows. Judge Wallace scored it 95 to 95.
95-95 mga bay, isang judge.
Judge Berlinski scored it 97 to 93.
97-93,
Scored it 98 to 92.
98-92. Majority.
Decision.
Jeremy Patricio. Panalo dito si Kabayan.
She is the champion for the vacant WBA Gold Bantamweight title. The Fighting Hawaiian.
Wow, congrats mga bay, panalo ang Pinay rito. Panalo mga bay si Jeremy Patricio. So umakyat na po ang kartada dito ng ating kababayan sa 10 wins with 3 knockouts. Ayan na, congrats Jeremy Patricio ng Hawaii, isang dugong Pinay. Yan, daghang salamat mga bay, hanggang sa dulo, hindi pa rin kayo bumibitaw. Nais ko pong malaman na yung reaksyon sa ating video. Like, comment na lang po sa baba at babasahin po natin yan. Daghang salamat at sa Diyos ang lahat ng papuri.
Obviously seen it a certain